there is this few handful members that are claiming that Mpumalanga is saying Floyd, hands of Floyd. We want to put it very clear that Floyd must go. We don't care where he's going to, whether he's going back to the EFF, whether he's going home. It's none of our business. So we are just saying the Floyd must go. And I don't know how they've dragged me into that information or task team that they are doing with the VNs to think that if they are campaigning using my name, they will get it right. They are not going to get it right.
The former Mpumalanga convener of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Mary Phadi, has come out blazing, attacking the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Shivambu, and made an announcement that on the 28th of May, they will have a media briefing, and she's still the Mpumalanga convener, and took a jab at the former public protector, who's now the Umkhonto weSizwe Party member, Busisiwe Mkhwebane, and the convener of Mpumalanga province, and said she's just a member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, nothing more, nothing less. She further said that there's rumors circulating that say hands off the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and said she wants Floyd to go. They don't want him. He can go back to the Economic Freedom Fighters and wherever he wants, but they don't want him in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. They must not campaign using her name. They are very clear that they don't want Nyiko Shivambu because he has created a lot of chaos in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. And in that media briefing, they will discuss other issues affecting the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. They will provide new leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party in Mpumalanga. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party national spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela was also speaking at the SMWX podcast and stated that no one is permanent in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party except the former President Jacob Zuma and the leader of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and further said that the only way you can be permanent is to perform well in the party, but if you come with alien tendencies and trying to bring your own culture from another party, you are not going to last in the party. Spiritual gods will deal with you quickly. He further said that the challenge that they have faced after getting so many votes in parliament and in legislatures is that they had people who were not campaigning for Umkhonto weSizwe Party, viewed politics in a different way, and didn't understand the culture of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and how the ground worked, and said it becomes dangerous having people that have a certain way of thinking joining Umkhonto weSizwe Party and wanting to influence their own culture in their party, and emphasized that there's nothing wrong having different ideas, but it's the approach you use. Even if you differ, it's very important that when you arrive at the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, try to understand and adapt to the culture. Even if you have your own views, learn to add them in a respectful way and respect everyone you found in the organization. He further stated that as the party that is still new, they are aware that there's infiltration in the party. As they are taught by Jacob Zuma, they know there's a time to act and also there's a time to allow the process unfold. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.